Welcome to an in-depth exploration of KuCoin Pool, a premier cryptocurrency mining platform designed to provide miners with seamless integration, high returns, and cutting-edge tools to maximize profits. KuCoin Pool is known for its user-friendly interface and robust infrastructure that supports both newcomers and experienced miners. As you navigate the KuCoin Pool platform, you'll find an array of features tailored to simplify mining while enhancing efficiency. Whether you're mining Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins, KuCoin Pool offers optimized algorithms that automatically allocate hash power for maximum earnings. Additionally, it ensures low fees and timely payouts, making it an attractive option for anyone in the crypto mining sphere. The dashboard on KuCoin Pool is intuitive, providing real-time data on hash rates, earnings, and system health. With step-by-step instructions for setting up your mining rigs, it's easier than ever to get started. The pool's compatibility with various mining hardware and software further ensures that users can join without significant technical hurdles. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. KuCoin Pool stands out for its security measures, ensuring that your mined coins and personal data are safe. It also provides 24/7 customer support to address any technical or operational concerns. For those looking to explore advanced mining strategies, KuCoin Pool's resources and analytics can help optimize your approach and improve long-term profitability. Overall, KuCoin Pool continues to set benchmarks in the industry by offering consistent performance and user-centric tools. The platform's ability to adapt to the rapidly evolving crypto landscape ensures that it remains a reliable choice for miners worldwide. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button for more comprehensive guides on crypto platforms.